future tense sentences.
Will you join us for dinner next Friday?
I'd love to. What time and where?
What will you do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my grandparents. How about you?
Have you decided where you'll go for your next vacation?
Yes, I'm planning to go to the beach. It will be so relaxing.
What are your career goals for the next 5 years?
I'm hoping to get a promotion and take on more responsibilities at work.
Are you attending the concert next month?
Absolutely. I've already bought the tickets. It's going to be amazing.
Will you learn a new language in the future?
Yes, I'm thinking about learning Spanish. It could be useful.
Any plans for your birthday next year?
I haven't decided yet, but maybe a small party with close friends.
Do you think you'll move to a different city someday?
Possibly. I'm considering it for career opportunities.
What time will you arrive at the airport tomorrow?
My flight lands at 3 p.m., so I should be at the airport by 4 p.m.
Are you planning to continue your education in the future?
Yes, I'm thinking about pursuing a master's degree.
Have you thought about starting your own business one day?
It's a possibility. I'm exploring different ideas.
What job do you think you'll be doing in 10 years?
I hope to be in a managerial position, leading a team.
Do you think you'll buy a house in the future?
I'm saving up, and I hope to buy a house within the next few years.
Any plans for New Year's Eve?
I'm going to a friend's party. It should be a lot of fun.
Will you take up a new hobby soon?
Yes, I'm thinking about learning how to play the guitar.
Do you believe you'll be more environmentally conscious in the future?
Definitely. I want to make sustainable choices and reduce my carbon footprint.
Are you going to attend the job fair next week?
Yes, I've been updating my resume and plan to network there.
What time will you finish work tomorrow?
I should be done by 5 p.m. Let's grab dinner afterward.
Will you continue to volunteer at the animal shelter?
Yes, it's fulfilling, and I want to keep helping animals in need.
I'm planning to start a new job. How about you?
That's awesome. I'm thinking of going back to school. What will you have achieved in your new job by this time next year?
Hopefully, I have gained a lot of experience and maybe even a promotion. And you, any specific goals for school?
I want to finish my degree and explore some internship opportunities. By the way, where do you think you will be living in the future?
I'm considering moving to a bigger city for better career opportunities. How about you?
I'm thinking of staying in the same city.
Do you believe you will have traveled to any new places in the coming years?
Absolutely. I've always wanted to travel more. I hope to visit at least 2 new countries. And you?
Same here. I'm planning a trip to Europe. Do you think you will have learned any new skills by then?
Yes, I want to improve my language skills and learn some coding. What about you?
I'm considering taking up photography and maybe some cooking classes. Where do you see yourself in terms of personal growth?
I hope to be more confident and better at handling challenges. How about you?
I want to be more patient and organized. Do you think you'll have made any big decisions about your future by then?
Well, I might decide to pursue further education or take a different career path. It's still up in the air. And you?
I'm thinking of starting my own business. Let's catch up in a year and see where we are.